How to monitor order returns on Amazon Seller Central. Now, returns are an inevitable part of selling on Amazon, but tracking and understanding them can help you improve your products, your listings, and customer satisfaction. In your Seller Central account, go to Orders and click on Returns or Return Central. This page is your dashboard for tracking and analyzing all return activity. At the top, you'll see several important metrics like total returns. This is the total number of items returned within your selected time frame. Return rate is the percentage of orders that have been returned. A high return rate might indicate product issues, inaccurate descriptions, or quality concerns. The critical review rate is the percentage of returns that also resulted in a low customer review. And last but not the least, the customer refund issued. This is the total amount of refunds that Amazon has processed to customers for returned items. From the Return Central page, you can dig deeper into product details, view the exact ASINs, product names, and variations being returned, return details, see order dates, return dates, and shipment statuses for each return, and customer return reasons. Learn why customers are sending these items back, such as defective items, not as described, or unwanted purchases. Regularly checking Return Central not only helps you catch product or listing issues, but also improves customer satisfaction and protects your seller metrics. If you want to go beyond just managing returns and actually learn how to source better products, sell profitably, and grow your Amazon business faster, the OA Challenge is the easiest way to learn it all. It's a step-by-step training designed to make online arbitrage simple and effective. Click on the link in the description below to find out more. Try it now.